G'day humanoid life forms, it's Chewy here and we're at Mathinna Falls. Once again, the northeast of Tasmania is truly giving it up. What a spectacular place. The walk into here is magnificent. Huge trees, beautiful rainforest, just stunning. This is spectacular. The water is a little bit tepid for my taste, so I shan't be going in. Here's a couple of photographs of the waterfall here. That's 30 seconds at f11. Very ethereal, milky look to the water. Here's some with a faster shutter speed so you can get more detail in the water. Shooting on the Fujifilm X-T4 with the kit lens, the 18-55 2.8 to f4. It's a great lens and I'm using some earth filters. At the moment I've got a 10-stop filter on there, which they call a neutral density 1000 filter. Here's the shot. Rate that experience?
10 out of 10. That was awesome.
The skin's cool.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's beautiful.
Well, short and sweet one today. I hope you enjoyed Mathinna Falls. What an absolutely stunning place. I'll definitely come back here in different conditions to see what it offers. You know the drill. Till next time, be good to each other. Chewy and the crazy Mary Ann out. Peace.